Patrol by Myers. Ignite. Have you heard stories about historical conflicts called wars? You might remember the movie Rush Hour and Chris Tucker and Jackie Chan discussing the heavy toll of war while teaching each other about their cultures. They will work together to free a girl who is kidnapped. Chunk. Just by looking at the cover, what do you know about this book? Readers of historical fiction ask themselves, what kind of person is the main character? Hint, look at the cover of the book. What's going on? Are there character traits that collide with what's going on? Peace sign, military uniform. Resulting, what happens because of tension equals the conflict or the problem? Might the resulting tension be the conflict at the heart of the story? Insights, what we get from it, the moral of the story, main message, or theme. How does the ending of the book lead to new insights about possible themes and about what came before? I know, Vietnam. What do you want to know? What is the main problem the persona faces? Persona equals a protagonist in poetry. Patrol by Walter Dean Myers. The land of my enemy has wide valleys, mountains that stretch along the far horizon, rushing brown rivers and green, thick forests. My squad, sorry, that's my dyslexia, and thick green forests. My squad of 9 men are in the forest. Above me, birds twitter nervously in the treetops. Insects and small animals scurry through the underbrush, trying to avoid the crush of my combat boots. The squad leader raises his hand. We stop. The sound of my breath is soft in the morning air. Somewhere in the forest, hidden in the shadows, is the enemy. He knows I have come to kill him. He waits for me. Later in the story, a shot. I reach for the ground and scramble for cover. The elephant grass cuts my arms as I slide toward a low wall. Then there's an opening in the tall grass and I look through. There is the enemy. He's looking at me. We are surprised to see each other, shocked how young he is. We stare across the distance. I know he wants me to lift my rifle to beat the enemy. I want him to lift his rifle. I want him to turn away. In a heartbeat, we have learned too much about each other. The putt-putt of the chopper interrupts the moment. The enemy turns away and is swallowed by the lush grass that is everywhere in this land. I lift my rifle. I aim at the distant shadow. I am the enemy. I lower the rifle. Later in the story, I am glad that I am alive. As the heat of the day passes to the heat of night, I write a letter to someone I love. I wonder if my enemy is writing a letter. I'm so tired. I'm so very tired of this war. Patrol by Walter Dean Myers. Illustrated by Anne Griffalconi. Okay. And what did we learn? Oh, what did he learn when he comes face to face with the enemy? They both want the other to play the part of an enemy. They are the same in this way. Also, the narrator says when he writes a letter to someone he loves, he wonders if the enemy is also writing to a loved one. This implies a theme that people are people and have more commonalities than differences. So 1, the persona in Patrol is observant and loving. Observant sees, notices a lot. These are the questions. What kind of person is the main character? What's going on? Are there character traits that collide with what's going on? Might the resulting tension be the conflict at the heart of the story? And how does the ending of the book lead to new insights about possible themes? Okay. 2, the main problem is that he is in war. 3, his loving and considerate nature conflict with the actions of attacking other people. Considerate equals think of others. 4, yes, the conflict between the aggressive violence of war conflicts with the persona's noble, loving, and kind nature. 5, one of the themes could be that people are people. We have more commonalities than differences and therefore should not attack each other. Theme equals main message, moral of the story. Commonalities, things in common, therefore, thus, as a result. 2, apply the questions from today that we applied to Patrol by Myers to your historical fiction book club book. 1, what kind of person is the main character? The main character is the kind of person who. 2, what's going on? What is the main problem in, write your title of your book. The main problem is, and then 3, character traits that collide, conflict with what is going on are word bank, peacefulness, kindness, consideration, loving, generosity, negative traits, selfishness, silliness, confusion. 4, the conflict between the character's traits and the problem they are living through could be the heart of the story, yes or no? What do you think? All right, remember, if you do not have a book, then read Inside Out and Back Again. It is an amazing book that people love. Read for 20 pages a day, and when you finish the book, reread it. Everyone, please get ready for your first book club meeting so you have a good time talking. We start on March 1st or 2nd, depending on when our class meets, Monday or Tuesday. Check your reading plan and catch up in the mornings. End first video. Thank you, writers.